Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Saya Setiawan Abdullah Sultan, peserta uji kinerja PPG dalam jabatan tahap 2 tahun 2020. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, students. How are you today?
I'm fine, and you?
Yes, I'm fine too. But before we are going to start the class, let's pray together first. Please, the leader, lead your friend to pray.
Let's pray together. Pray begin. Finish.
Okay, thank you for okay. And now, I want to check your attendance first. I think everyone come. Is that true?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good from this class. Everyone come today. And I never stop to advise you that you have to obey the government's advice. That you have to put on your mask if you want to go outside from your house. And after you touching something, don't forget to wash your hand. In order we help from COVID-19. So, time to English and be positive thinking that English is fun. Okay, before we are going to learn about the material, I want to ask you, do you remember what the previous materials?
Descriptive text.
Okay, thank you for Barok. The previous materials is we talked about descriptive text. And do you remember what is generic structure of descriptive text?
Identification and description.
Okay, good for Fatim. And what is the language features of descriptive text? Maybe anybody remember about it?
Using simple present tense, adjective, action verb, noun, adverb.
Okay, thank you for Muslims for your answer. And now we are going to learn about the new material. And it's not too far different from descriptive text. Jadi kita mempelajari materi baru dan tidak jauh berbeda dengan materi yang kemarin. Okay, look at this picture. What is it?
I see.
And now, what the materials or ingredients do you need?
Ice cream. Okay, give applause for this class.
And for the next picture, what is it?
Bread.
Okay, this is a fried egg. And what the materials or ingredients do you need?
And for ice and
Yes, that's good. Give applause for this class. The materials are egg, pan, flavor or oil, stove, and salt. Okay, after you have described about the pictures, and now, what we learned today? Okay, good. Today we learn about procedure text. In English is procedure text, not procedure text. What is it?
procedure text.
Yes, right. Procedure text. I think you have learned about this material in bahasa Indonesia. Jadi dalam bahasa Indonesia ini juga pernah kalian ajari. Tapi dalam bahasa Inggris pengucapannya yang berbeda. Not procedure text, but procedure text. That's right?
Yes.
Okay, now procedure text. Untuk KD saat ini yaitu menganalisis fungsi sosial, struktur teks, dan unsur kebahasaan, beberapa teks, prosedur, lisan, dan tulis dengan memberi dan meminta informasi terkait manual penggunaan teknologi pendek dan sederhana, sesuai dengan bidang keahlian dan konteks penggunaannya. Dan tujuan pembelajaran kali ini, kalian diharapkan bisa menyusun teks atau membuat teks tentang prosedur teks nanti di akhir pertemuan. Now, what is the procedure text? Bro? Procedure text is the text that is designed to describe how something is achieved through a sequence of actions or steps. Jadi teks yang mengandung sebuah langkah-langkah di mana yang bertujuan untuk menginstruksikan kepada para pembaca. And now, the general structure from procedure text, this is goals, ingredients or material, and steps. Jadi untuk general structure, untuk procedure text yaitu ada goals dan ingredients yaitu bahan-bahan yang akan kalian gunakan dan langkah-langkah. Now, it's your time to do what is the goals and what is the ingredients and what is the steps. Please write down on your paper and write down too about the language features of procedure text. There are imperative sentence, action verbs, and conjunctions or connectives. You should source the information about them on your textbook and write down in your paper and present your answer. Start from now. Come on, come on. Ayo. Cari pengertiannya dari goal apa? Ayo. Goalnya apa? Ingredientsnya apa? Okay, time is over. It's time to you to present your answer. To answer the goals. And who wants to answer ingredients or material, and who wants to answer the steps? Who wants to answer the goals? Farida.
Goal it is contain the purpose or title of the text.
Okay, that's right for Farida. The goals of a procedure text is contain the purpose or title of the text. And now, who wants to answer the ingredients or materials? Hofia.
Ingredients or material, it is content of the materials that are in the process.
Okay, good for Hofia. Thank you for answer. And now, the ingredients, it's contain of the materials that used in the process. And for the steps, who wants to answer? Barok.
Content of the step to make something in the goal.
For Baroque with the answers. The step is contained of the steps to make something in the goal. Jadi dalam prosedur tag ini, goals ini merupakan judul atau tujuan. Biasanya diawali dengan how to make. If you want to make juice, what is the goal? How to make juice. If you want to make iced tea, so the goals is how to make iced tea. Jadinya goals ini merupakan judul yang biasanya diawali dengan how to make. Dan ingredients ini merupakan bahan-bahannya. So you need to ingredients or materials if you want to make something. Jadi kamu membutuhkan sesuatu atau bahan-bahan untuk membuat sesuatu. If you want to make iced tea, so you need to straw, ice, and glass, and etc. And for the steps, ini merupakan langkah-langkahnya. Language features of procedure tag is imperative sentence or command, action verbs, conjunction, or connectives. Imperative sentence ini suatu kalimat yang berupa ajakan atau perintah. Sementara action verb merupakan kata kerja murni yang terdapat dalam procedure tag. Dan conjunction ini sebuah awalan di mana langkah-langkah diawali dengan pertama, kedua, dan ketiga. Terus yang saya tanyakan, what are examples of imperative sentence? Who wants to answer this question? Rokib.
Put the noodle, cut the onion, wash the tomatoes.
Give applause for Rokib. Yes, that's good answer. And now, give me sample of action verbs. Anybody knows? Hafia.
Cut, cook, prune, tot.
And now, for conjunctions. Anybody knows? And give me example about conjunction and connectives. Hoirul.
First, then, second, finally.
Good for Hoirul. The conjunction is first, then second, and finally. Jadi untuk imperative sentence ini adalah sebuah kalimat perintah. Di dalam kalimat prosedur tag itu terdapat kalimat perintah di mana yang merupakan sebuah langkah-langkah. Letakkan mie di atas titik-titik. Potonglah bawang titik-titik. Cucilah tomat titik-titik dan sebagainya. Terus yang action verb ini merupakan kata kerja yang terdapat dalam prosedur tag. Potong, masak, balik, letakkan, dan sebagainya. Dan conjunction itu merupakan tahapannya. Pertama-tama, lalu, kedua, akhirnya, dan terakhir. Nah, ini sebuah conjunction from procedure tag. Now, what is social function of procedure tag? Muslim.
Untuk memberitahukan langkah-langkah membuat sesuatu.
Okay, that's right for Muslim. Social function of procedure tag is to explain or tell the reader how to make, operate, do something through a sequence of action or step. Jadi menjelaskan kepada para pembaca cara atau langkah-langkah membuat sesuatu. Now look at the picture. What is it? Okay, fruit ice, and there are materials and steps, and I want to know what is the imperative sentence. Barok.
Put in serving,
Yes.
and put the decoration.
Okay, give applause for Barok. Now, where is the action verb? Farida.
Cut, boil, put.
Okay, give applause for Farida. Where is the conjunction? Behind boys, Rido.
First, then next, last.
Okay, good for Rido for the answer. And now look at this picture again. What is the goal of the picture? Fatim.
How to make a cup of coffee.
Okay, thank you for Fatim. Yes, the goal is how to make a cup of coffee. And what are the ingredients or materials? Maybe anyone to answer? Let's try Barok.
2 spoon of sugar, 1 spoon of coffee powder, hot water, a cup, a spoon.
Give applause for Barok. And now the last questions. What are the steps to make a coffee? Maybe Rokib. Come on.
Prepare 2 spoon of sugar.
Yes.
Put on spoon of coffee powder.
Okay.
Add 2 spoon of sugar.
Yes.
Stir it well.
Okay, give applause for Rokib. Okay, now it's time to you to do the exercises, and I want to make 3 groups for this class. This is group 1, group 2, and group 3. And now the questions of group 1 make procedure text about how to make apple juice. Jadi tugas dari grup atau kelompok pertama itu membuat atau cara membuat jus apel. Dan group 2 make a procedure text about how to make fried rice. Cara membuat nasi goreng. And group 3 make procedure text about how to make instant fried noodle. Cara membuat mie instan atau mie goreng instan. Okay, I want to share your worksheet now. Please combine with your group. Ayo yang di belakang gabung. Okay, now please write down in your paper, and after this you have to present your answer in front of class. That's right. Setelah menulis atau mengerjakan itu, kalian presentasikan di depan kelas by using projector, dengan menggunakan proyektor. Everyone in front of here and go forward in here. Jadi 3 orang ini maju dan membagi tugasnya. Umpamanya Hofiah membacakan goalsnya, Farida membacakan material atau bahan-bahannya apa, dan Fatim membacakan langkah-langkahnya. Jadi setiap orang ikut berperan. Paham ya?
Yes.
Start from now. Ayo silakan. Ayo kerjakan.
Pak,
Yes.
gimana kalau lewat komputer?
Oh yes, that's good idea. Jadi seperti ini aja ya. Kalian lebih fleksibel. Kalian ketik lewat komputer kalian, terus save your document and present it in front of class. Jadi bagus idenya dari Rokib. Jadi tinggal diketik saja. Nanti filenya kalian pindah ke sini, ya? Jelas ya? Oke, start from now, yuk. Ayo cepat. Ayo, ada kesulitan ya? Ayo. Ya, itu perhatikan ya. Kamu buat apa? Apple juice. Farida, biasanya bahannya apa Farida? Belum. Jus apel itu kira-kira apa? Apel. Kopi apa lagi kira-kira? Jus. Es ya. Terus ya, iya. Terus kira-kira alatnya apa? Nah, blender lagi. Nah, itu kamu tidak cantumkan di sini ya. Oke, lanjut. Kamu buat apa ini?
Nasi goreng.
Nasi goreng. Apa bahannya biasanya, Rob? Yes, nasi. Terus kamu biasa kalau buat nasi goreng, kasih mie dalam masalah. Iya. Terus minyak. Bahannya, alatnya apa biasanya, Rob? Alat
Penggorengan.
alat penggorengan atau panci ya. Terus apa lagi biasanya? Terus apa lagi? Sutil atau spatula ya. Ini apa nih? Buat mie instan biasanya apa alat bahannya? Mie instan. Ya, mie instan. Lagi? Ya, terus alatnya. Panci dan garpu. Oke, silakan kerjakan. 5 minutes more. Waktu kalian tinggal 5 menit. Oke, saya sambil menilai ya. Saya sambil menilai kegiatan kalian. Sampai mana ini? Sampai bahan ya? Oh iya, bahan. Yes, ingredients. Oke. Airnya berapa mili tuh biasanya? Kalau buat jus berapa sih biasanya sih? Nah, 5 ya. Oke, lanjut. Ini grup 2 sampai. Oh, sudah langkah-langkah ini ya. Berarti ada berapa langkah itu? 5. Oke, lanjut. Saya nilai ya. Terus ini. Oh, ini udah selesai nih. Ada tambahan menu tidak? Ditambah apa itu? Oh, sosis bagus ya. Berarti ini variasi sekali. Spesial ini gimana ini? Oh, nasi goreng sama mie. Oke, stop. Waktunya sudah 5 menit. Dikit lagi, Pak. Now it's time to you to present your answer. Start from group 1. Okay, group 1, everyone come from the class. Who wants to read good?
Farida.
Oh, Farida, and materials?
Here.
Of here, and you steps. Okay. Yuk, silakan. Silakan yang lain mendengarkan ya.
Okay, we will present our exercise. The goal is,
How to make apple juice.
and the ingredients is,
Ingredients: 1 apple, 1 cup of milk, sugar or honey, ice cups.
and steps is, wash the apples, cut the apples in half and remove the seeds. Cut the apples into small slices. Put the spice of apple into a blender and add a cup of milk. You can also add some sugar or honey. Blend the ingredients yourself in bowl. Put some eggs cubes into a glass, then pour the apple juice over it. The last glass of apple juice is ready to drink.
Okay, thank you for group 1. Give applause for your friends, group 1. That's good answer. Please sit down, please. Okay, now we continue to group 2. Group 2, yes, Roke, Barok, and Yusdi. Come on, everyone come to front. Who wants to read goals? Yusdi. Oh, Barok. And who wants to read materials? Yusdi. And who wants to read steps? You, ya. Come on. Yuk, semangat, tepuk tangan dulu yuk. Tepuk tangan yuk. Yes, yuk, mulai.
We will present our exercise, the goal.
How to make fried rice.
In the game,
1 plate of cooked rice, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 medium onions cup, 1 clove of garlic cup, chili powder, add juice based on your space level, 1 tablespoon of tomato sauce, tools, frying pan, stove, spoon, spatula, plate.
stick, heat and medium frying pan and pour the vegetable oil. After it has enough and the garlic, onion and chili. Stir fry the ingredient until it's tender. Add the eggs and scramble it until half cooked. Pour the cooked rice the cake stir for a minute. Next, add the seasoning, salt, oyster sauce, pepper, and salt, and mix them all with the rice. After well cooked, take the fried rice and serve on the plate.
Okay, thank you for group 2 and give applause for your friends, group 2. That's good answer. That's good present. And now, for the group 3, are you ready? Siap kan?
Yes.
Okay,
Ready.
please everyone forward to the class. Who wants to read the goal? Ridho. Material? Muslim and his steps.
We will present our exercise. To
make instant noodle.
ingredients,
Fried instant noodle. 1 egg, onion, chilies, vegetable oil, water. Steam.
the step, take off the instant noodle from the peg, leave the seasoning, and boil the instant noodle. While the instant noodle is cooked, slice some onions and chilies. When the noodle is cooked, drain the noodle by using a strainer. Take a frying pan and pour some vegetable oil and heat it with medium heat. Fry the sliced onions and chilies. Break an egg and cook it. Pour the drained noodle into the frying pan. Add the seasoning. Stir all the ingredients evenly. When it's cooked, put the fried noodle on a plate and it is ready to serve.
Okay, thank you for group 3 and give applause for group 3. Sit down, please. Okay, thank you for your all groups to present the procedure tag by your own words. Now, we are in conclusion. I want to know what the learn do you get today? Maybe anyone to answer? Pelajaran apa yang kalian dapatkan pada pelajaran kali ini? Coba Fatim.
I know about how to make something.
Maybe anyone to add what we have get for the learn today? Hafia, pelajaran apa yang kamu dapat pada kali ini?
I know about the generic structure of this procedure tag.
Okay, that's good. Jadi selain tahu cara membuat sesuatu, juga kalian tahu unsur-unsur dari prosedur tag. Now, I have an evaluation for you to measure your knowledge about the procedure tag. I want to share the evaluation paper. Please, it is for your individual task. Jadi sebagai tugas individu kamu, kerjakan itu ya soal-soal tentang prosedur tag. Oke. I give you 15 minutes. Start from now. Ayo. Ada kesulitan? Semuanya sudah dipelajari tadi ya. Kalian tinggal kerjakan. Okay, time is over. Belum 5 minutes. More than 5 minutes, please. Submit to me. Ayo di sini. We are in a closing today. So from lesson that I have today, I know about the compactness. You have to improving your compactness with your group. It's not the individual exercise. Jadi ini bukan tugas individu tadi ya. Jadi tugas berkelompok tuh harus kompak. And for your reading or your speaking, when you read your task in front of the class, you have to improving it. Jadi kamu harus meningkatkan juga cara berbicara kamu ya. How to pronounce the words, how many adjective or how many noun and how many vocabulary that you have known. Jadi kamu harus tahu juga kata-kata dalam bahasa Inggris juga harus ditingkatkan supaya kalian ada peningkatan. Oke, tahu ya? Jelas ya? Oke, now for your homework. please, jadi perhatikan ya PR kamu. Please write the procedure tag with the title if you want to do. Jadi terserah kamu, tulislah teks prosedur. Kalian mau membuat apa itu terserah. Tulis di dalam kertas kalian atau buku tugas, ya. Write on your textbook or taskbook and submit to me tomorrow. Yes? Yeah. And for my time tomorrow, we will discuss your answer on your result. Jadi setelah kita untuk jam saya besok, kita akan bahas hasil dari kalian. And remember, do it by yourself. Jadi ingat, buatlah kalimat sendiri. Don't copy with the Google and the other source of internet. Jelas ya? Jadi jangan ambil dari mana saja, itu cukup kalimatmu sendiri. Sudah jelas? Oke. Thank you for attention and thank you for the lesson today. Time to me to closing the material or the class. But before, we have to keep our healthy together in order we avoid from the COVID-19. Jadi please obey the government's advice. So you have to put in your mask if you want to go outside from your house. And don't forget, if you have touch something, don't forget to wash your hand by soap or by hand sanitizer. Yes, keep healthy and keep safety in order we can continue the material tomorrow. Supaya kita tetap bisa sehat dan ikut pelajaran ya. Jadi kita harus jaga kesehatan kita, patuhi anjuran pemerintah untuk memakai masker ya. Jelas ya? Okay, please, the leader, lead your friends to pray.
Let's pray together. Pray together. Finish.
Okay, and thank you for attention. See you next time with the other material. Maybe we will or we are going to learn about the simple present tense. Okay, keep healthy and spirit. Okay?
Yes.
Thank you for attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.